Hi, welcome to Kev's Corner. Today we're doing cherries in kirsch, ready for Christmas. Now I know it's only August, but they need a few months to mature. Now what I'm doing now is stoning the cherries. It's really important to stone the cherries because the stones have arsenic in them, and if they're left in, they're not really good for people's health. So you're best sort of stoning them and then just using the cherries. Just takes a bit of a time, but this cherry stone is absolutely fantastic. It saves so much time and effort to do it, and you'll find the time is rewarded back to you, so you can sit down later with a nice cup of tea and relax watching your favourite programme. Okay, right, now I've stoned all the cherries. Now it's time to bottle them. Make sure when you've been stoning the cherries that they are nice and fresh, and if you have any rotten or soft ones, get rid of them because they can take away from the flavour by Christmas. So what you do, you just fill the kilner jars up. The next thing is add sugar. Now it depends how big your kilner jar is to how much sugar you need, but normally I sort of fill the kilner jar up, shake it a little bit, yeah, and then just put a bit more in, probably about 250 grams of sugar. Not too, but the sugar is there because when the actual you add the kirsch, and the kirsch and sugar mix together, the sugar will slowly dissolve, and then it will enhance the kirsch and develop with the kirsch and bring a stronger flavour. So what I'll do now is shake the cherries, so all the sugar covers the cherries, like so, and then just undo the jar, and then get a really nice kirsch, and then just slowly fill the kilner jar up. Yeah, try to add as much as you can. Yeah, and then once it gets to just to cover nearly all the cherries, seal over. Make sure the kilner jar has a good rubber sole on, otherwise it will not, if any air gets to it, then it will start to get bacteria inside and it'll turn the cherries mouldy. Okay, so give a good shake. So once again, the kirsch, the cherries and the sugar are mixing now together, and that's your kirsch in cherries. Now once a day, turn the kilner jar and give a shake so the sugar slowly dissolves over a few weeks, and then once the sugar has dissolved, you'll be able to tell the kirsch will go darker, and then you leave till November, December, whenever you want. The longer the better, and the kirsch and the cherries will blend together, and it becomes a beautiful gift for someone, or just to have at Christmas. Thank you. Right, the reason we use kirsch is because kirsch is made from cherry stones, and this is about 25% alcohol, which isn't strong in spirit terms, but once it's mixed with the cherries and the sugar, it will get stronger, and obviously by the time Christmas comes, it will be very strong, probably about 30-35%. It also has a very soft flavour. The flavour actually softens when the cherries and the sugar are infused with it. So by Christmas, it will taste absolutely beautiful, and you can use it with anything. You can just drink the juice. You can use the cherries with homemade ice creams, fresh cream, pavlovas, different things. Or it really makes a really nice gift for somebody.